I would say that that's the biggest thing that I am proud of, is the fact that I can see someone that joined our company and they're doing the best they have ever done in their career. And not only did it change their career, but it changed their lives.
This is a specialty division designed to give architecturally and historic homes the distinctive representation and the specialized marketing strategies they deserve. And we really hope to elevate the marketing and representational skills we provide these properties.
You know, with life, you're only passing through. And it's what you accomplish when you're passing through and how you treat people. We do a lot of dreaming because I believe the dream makes reality. I think if you dream, it'll happen.